Look at Jessica. Look at her. What are you doing, Jessica, up there?
Trying to be cool.
No, me. I'm a high. I'm not visible.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Look at my adorable house. That's big plants.
It looks like you're cross-eyed.
Look here backwards. Look at that. It's laughing too.
It's laughing at your face.
At your face?
At your face.
What street is this?
64.
No shit.
Or is it?
Fuck you.
I just play. I don't really care.
Look at her shoes.
Man, it's boring. What should we do?
Entertain us.
Kill us. What?
What are they?
Ants.
They're weird creatures. They're
I know.
brothers. Where are they? Where are they?
What? Right there.
Oh yeah, they're. Oh my god.
There's one line. Look.
There was a car.
Look at Edison right there, and that one guy right there.
Where's the guy?
Right there. In the other car.
Oh.
You're gonna get ran over.
Oh, look at that car over there coming. Look at the video. Like gas. Look at, let it come, let it come, let it come. Look, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's so gay. Se van a robar ese señor, mira. Córrele, mijo.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. Look, she's so short. Do I come out? Do I come out?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Look at my beautiful slippers. Look, I'm so tanned.
Me too. I'm like that. Like this is all dark. Okay, right here is all white.
You're gonna look funny in a graduation.
I know.